Hello everybody, my name is Alina Botica and I'm a portrait and boudoir photographer. I've been doing photography for over 9 years. Actually, at the end of this year I will be 10 years in business. Today we're here to learn how to register a new action in Photoshop. We're gonna register the frequency separation action. So, let's start. First of all, we can't register a new action if we use button mode. So we must deactivate button mode. And now I'll show you how to register a new action. I already have my own actions here, my own panel. You can do this too. There are actions that I use on almost every photo I edit. So let's do this. Press new action to register a new action. Name it as you wish. I'm gonna name it frequency separation as we're here to learn this action. So just name it as you wish. I will register it in my daily actions, and you can use the function key. Practically it's a fast key that you can use when you have to edit 1 or 2 photos. Now press record and let's start registering the action. Once you press record, you must be very careful of the steps you make because we're registering everything. So with Ctrl J or Command J on Mac, we're gonna do 2 copies of the background layer and we're gonna add a new blank layer. The first layer we're gonna name color and tone. The second layer we're gonna name brush. This is the only layer that we will be working on. And the last layer we're gonna name texture. This is the layer that keeps the texture of the skin in place. You can use this action not only on the skin, but you can use it all over the body or the background, or if you have I don't know, wrinkled clothes and you want to smooth them out, you can use this action for this. Just try it out and see what it does. If you like it, you'll use it. We're gonna group these 3 layers and name it, obviously, frequency separation, because we're here to learn frequency separation. Good. Now on the first layer, go to filter, noise, then median. For the radius, we're gonna put 3 pixels. Now on the second layer, the brush, we won't do anything, we don't touch it for now. Now the texture layer, go to image, apply image. Our source is the image that we have opened in Photoshop. The layer that we're gonna subtract the texture is the color and light. You subtract and all the values that you see here. Opacity 100%, scale 2, offset 128. And yes, I know what these values are for, but this is for another tutorial. Hit OK, and then we have to change the blending layer, the blending mode of the layer, to linear light. So this is our action, we have it here. Let's stop the record. Now go to Action tab and press the Stop Record button. Ta-da! This is our action, and let's see if it works. I'm gonna erase this. I'll go to Action, go to Button Mode, because it's easier to work with button mode. You just press the action and you have it applied on the image. Now let's see if it works. Here it works. We have the action applied to the image. Now on the brush layer, with shortcut B, we're gonna select the brush. Opacity I use 100% and the flow I use 1-2 flow. Now, I don't zoom in too much in the photo because I don't need. I'm just going to select a skin tone that I like in order to blend the passing from the light to the dark area. Blending these areas will give us, I don't know, an idea of a smoother skin, but you're gonna see later how the texture actually is there. I'm gonna show you a before and after in order for you to see how magnificent this action is. I simply love frequency separation because I can keep the volume of the face, but I can blend in the tones. You can use it, as I told you, not only on the skin, but you can use it everywhere. You can use it to blend even the background or smooth the wrinkles on the clothes. Now you can use it on the neck too. We're not taking out the wrinkles, we're just blending in the darker area with the lighter area. We're blending in the tones, so it gives us an idea that the wrinkles are not so prominent, but they are still there. I'm going to show you later. So this is it. You can see what this action does. Let's zoom in, and I'm going to show you that the texture is still there. See, we blended the tones, but the texture is still there. I love this action. I hope this helps you. Yeah, we're gonna see again. Bye bye.